Hi everyone, my name is Azalea and today I'm going to share some tips when talking about days of the week and time. ¿Listos? Let's get started. In English, we say, I'll see you on Monday. Pero en español, we don't say en lunes. We say el lunes, the Monday. Okay? Te veo el lunes. I will see you the Monday. Now for time, there's two different things. When we are giving the time and when we are saying at what time we will do something. For example, when we are giving the time, ¿qué horas son? ¿Qué horas son? We say, son las. Son las dos. Son las tres. Son las cuatro. Right? Or, if it's one, es la una. That's the only one that uses es. Es la una. When we are giving the time. But when we're making plans and when we want to say, oh, at 2, then we say a las 2. For example, nos vemos a las 2. We don't say nos vemos son las 2. That's giving the time. We'll see each other. Oh, it's 2, by the way. Right? So, son las 2. Or nos vemos a las 2. Let's put it together. Te veo el lunes a las 2. Let's add a little bit more. When we want to say, oh, in the morning or in the afternoon or at night, we say de. For example, 2 p.m., 2 in the afternoon, 2 de la tarde. If it's 2 a.m. in the morning, 2 de la mañana. For night, let's say 8. 8 de la noche. Or in the morning, 8 de la mañana. Here's a sentence, una oración. Nos vemos el lunes a las 2 de la tarde. Here's another example when we have 2 different ways to say the time. Son las 2:50. Tenemos que estar en el restaurante a las 3. Vámonos. The first part, we say the time. Son las. It is 2:50. Then we say, oh, we have to be here at this time, a las 3. So remember the differences. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, we say the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday. For time, it is son or es for 1. At this time, we say a las or a la for 1. And for in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night, we say time de la mañana, time de la tarde, time de la noche. That's all I have for you today. If you would like to practice more with days of the week, time, or any prepositions in Spanish, join me in a live class. Thank you so much. Nos vemos la próxima. See you next time. Adiós.